The advanced materials and additive manufacturing community of the Armed Forces will gather on the 7th of April 2026 at the Air Force Auditorium in New Delhi.
The event will cover everything from alloys to afterburners. Innovation ignites the future of aerospace propulsion. Composite airframes and naval steel redefine strength and agility in modern defense. Precision metallurgy and layered protection safeguard missions on land and sea. Ceramics, smart materials, and stealth shaping deliver resilience and adaptability. Additive manufacturing transforms imagination into reality, layer by layer, across every domain. Advanced materials and additive manufacturing, powering defense and aerospace for tomorrow. Register today as a delegate, sponsor or exhibitor and expand your business in the defense sector.